Hello students, hope you all are fine. So students, as you know, we are doing integers chapter. So last time we did first three sums of first exercise. So today we will discuss next three sums, okay, based on integers. So fourth sum is a plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? So, students, as you know that if distance is given above the sea level, it means it is positive, okay, and if the distance is given below the sea level, then it is negative. Okay, now what you have to find? First, you understand the statement, okay, that a plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level. It means this is positive 5000 meter distance. Then at a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. Means at a particular point, it comes exactly above the submarine which is floating this much distance below the sea level. It means this distance will be negative, this is positive, and this is negative. Suppose, see, picture is given here. So this is plane and this is submarine. This distance is given 5000, which is positive, and this distance below the sea level, that distance is given minus 1200. It is not given minus, but it is understood because this distance is below the sea level. Now what do you have to find? Find the vertical distance between them. So you have to find this total vertical distance between plane and submarine. Okay, so this is plus 5000, this is minus 1200. You can easily solve it. It means both terms will be subtracted. Okay, so next question. Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1642 from it the next day. Okay, you all are aware that what is the meaning of money depositing in the bank and what is the meaning of withdrawing money from the bank. Okay, so if withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. It is already mentioned in the statement that withdrawing of money he is taking as negative integer. Okay, if withdrawing of money is we are taking as negative integer, then this will be, money depositing will be positive integers. It will be a positive integer. Okay, this is negative integer and this is positive integer. So this is the answer of first part. This is a positive integer. Now next, find the balance of Mohan's account. You all know he deposited 2000 rupees, then he withdrew this money. Okay, then by subtracting these two you can get the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Okay, so next question. Rita goes 20 kilometers towards east from a point A to the point B. This picture is given. Okay, from B she moves 30 kilometers towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? By which integer will you represent her final position from A? So this is again same. One direction is given as negative. Okay, one direction is given as negative. From A to west, it is given as negative. See, it is written, if the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, positive side is given. Okay, so if positive side is given, it is understood that opposite of this side will be of negative integers. Okay, if east is representing positive, then definitely west direction will represent negative integers. Clear? This is the answer of first part. Now next part, by which integer will you represent her final position from A? So now we will see. First, from A, Rita goes 20 kilometers towards east to the point B. It means this distance is given 20, because they have already mentioned that in this direction positive integers are there. So this distance will be positive. Now, if the distance, from B she moves 30 kilometer towards. From B she moves 30 kilometers. Okay, now we are moving towards left, so it means this term will be negative. This term will be negative. We will subtract 30 from 20. We can find this much distance. So 20 minus 30 is minus 10. So she will be at minus 10. I hope it is clear to all. Thank you, students.